Not every plant needs constant attention. Some actually do better when you leave them alone for a while. Watering gets skipped, days get busy, and somehow these plants still look completely fine. Not perfect, but stable, still holding their shape, their color, and their presence in the space. This is not about survival alone. This is about plants that stay visually good, even when care is inconsistent. Let's start with snake plant. It holds water inside its leaves. That simple trait changes everything. Even when the soil dries out, the plant does not immediately react. It stays upright. The structure stays clean. Next, ZZ plant. This one is even more forgiving. Its thick rhizomes store moisture below the surface. So, from the outside, nothing seems to change. Leaves stay glossy. The plant still looks composed. Now, portulaca, also known as moss rose. This one goes in a different direction. Instead of holding water internally, it adapts to dry conditions completely. It keeps blooming, even when the soil is not consistently moist. And it does not collapse under heat. Next, sedum. Sedum stores water in its leaves, just like many succulents. But what makes it useful is how it grows. It spreads slowly and fills space without demanding much. Even when dry, it still looks intentional. Now, lantana. Lantana thrives in heat and irregular watering. Its flowers keep coming, and the plant rarely looks stressed in a visible way. It brings color without needing consistency. Next, agave. Agave is built for extremes. Water is stored deep inside thick leaves, so the plant remains sculptural and steady. It does not depend on frequent care to look finished. Now, thyme. Thyme grows low and close to the soil. It adapts to dry conditions naturally, and it creates a soft layer that does not demand attention. Even when slightly dry, it still feels complete. Next, yucca. Yucca holds a strong vertical form. It handles dry soil without losing its structure. The shape stays sharp. The presence stays bold. These plants do not rely on perfect routines. They absorb inconsistency, and that changes how a garden feels. Instead of reacting to every missed watering, the space stays stable. It continues to look intentional. A low-maintenance garden is not just about doing less work. It is about choosing plants that handle real life. And sometimes, real life means forgetting.